Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a simple flat flower. I'm using a 3-ply cotton yarn and a 4mm steel crochet hook. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook, which is basically a loose slip knot. Now to start your first row, make chain 1, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Go into the magic ring again, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet 2. Repeat the same pattern and make single crochet 3, single crochet 4 and make 12 single crochet stitches. After completing 12 single crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn tail to form a ring. Now go into the first single crochet stitch and pull the yarn to make a slip stitch. Now for the second row, make chain 1, go into the very first single crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch. Now go into the same stitch again and make second single crochet stitch. Now go into the second single crochet stitch and make 2 single crochet stitches here. Now go into the third single crochet stitch and make 2 single crochet stitches here. So repeat the same pattern of 2 single crochet stitches into every stitch and make 24 single crochet stitches in total. After completing, go into the first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your second row. Now for the third row, make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Make 10 chains. Skip that second single crochet stitch, go into the third one and make a slip stitch here. Now make chain 1, skip 1 single crochet stitch, go into the next and make a slip stitch. Now again make 10 chains for second petal. After making 10 chains, skip 1 stitch, go into the next and make a slip stitch. Now make chain 1, skip 1 stitch, go into the next and make a slip stitch. And from here again make 10 chains for third petal. So after completing 10 chains, skip 1 stitch, go into the next and make a slip stitch. Repeat the same pattern. Make chain 1, skip 1 stitch, go into the next stitch and make a slip stitch. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So after completing your row, make last chain 1, going to this first slip stitch here. It's a little bit hard. Go into this first slip stitch and make a slip stitch here. Now go into this chain 10 space for our first petal and make first single crochet stitch. Go into the same space again and make single crochet 2. After making 2 single crochet stitches, pull them to make space. Now wrap the yarn. Go into the space again, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn, go into the space, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet 2. Now make 2 double crochet stitches by pulling the yarn through 2 loops and then pulling the yarn through 2 loops, as you can see. So after completing 2 double crochet stitches, wrap the yarn twice. For triple crochet stitch, pull the yarn and pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops and then pull through third 2 loops. This is our first triple crochet stitch. Now again wrap the yarn twice, pull the yarn through 2 loops, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our half petal. Make chain 3. Go into this first and side loop of the stitch, as you can see, and make a slip stitch to make a chain picot. Now for the other side, repeat the same process and make triple crochet 1, triple crochet 2. After making 2 triple crochet, now gradually decrease your petal by making 2 double crochet stitch, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. After making 2 double crochet stitches, now make 2 half double crochet stitches, half double crochet 1 and half double crochet 2. Now in the last, make 2 single crochet stitches, single crochet 1 and single crochet 2. So this is our complete petal. You can adjust the stitches. Now for the second petal, directly go into the second chain 10 space and make single crochet 1 and single crochet 2. Remember to pull your stitches to make a space first and then make half double crochet 1 and half double crochet 2, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2, then triple crochet 1 and triple crochet 2. After making triple crochet 2, make chain 3 and make a chain picot by pulling the yarn through these 2 loops and then pull from this third loop and make a slip stitch. Now repeat the same pattern for opposite side by decreasing it. Make 2 triple crochet stitches and then 2 double crochet stitches and then 2 half double crochet stitches and in the last 2 single crochet stitches, 1 and 2. So repeat the same pattern till the end. So after completing all the petals, now go into this first single crochet stitch here, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch to finish your flower. Pull the extra yarn and cut it. Now weave it with the help of needle to some backside stitches. So now here is the final look. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please give it a try. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.